Halloween look that I like. This is what I plan to be for Halloween. Like if I go to parties or if I go, I don't know, just out anywhere. I'm not a YouTuber beauty guru by any means. I wanted to try out a makeup look for Halloween. And one of my favorite characters on TV right now is called Blodreina. Long story short, Blodreina gets this look in the show because she starts making people eat and be cannibals because it's like a survival technique in the show. So yeah, this video is basically going to be about this look and how I did it. Real quick on how I did it, I used 3 different eyeshadows. One eyeshadow was a burgundy red. The second eyeshadow was like a bright fluorescent orange. Like you can see it, like it's horrible. And then the third eyeshadow is this cobalt orange sparkly eyeshadow that I used. And then lastly, I used lashes, I used eyeliner, and I used blush and foundation and all that great stuff. All right, so without further ado, just get into the video. So for the very last part, I'm going to put this red gory paint on, but it's not safe to put near your eyes, so that's why I put makeup instead of paint. This is actually my first time trying this look out. It's just like a crazy ass look.